Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Philip Comedy, otherwise known as Mr. Mayor. So we are going to tell you how me do police work now. Cause show me favorite police, when boy used to bad all around instead back in the days. All when real police go for them. Boy then still a bad, So people they call me if you go for them, when they call me, me go for them, man. Boy, I have to run away when time come, You understand? So, one time one man buy one house. My man buy one house at Middleton. So, this boy now live in a house. Him did live in the house before the man buy a house. Can capture him house and live in there, So, the man can't get rid of them. So, the man sell the house with him in there. So, the man will buy a house now. Can't get out the boy. Man go all instead for all real police, and can't get out the boy, You understand? So the man call me and say, you can't get him out of the house because you favor police, so you can't get him out of the house. I say, yeah, man. So, yeah, man, me can't get him out of the house, man. So the man say, all right, come check me Saturday evening. He might have did the Saturday evening, so come and get him out of the house. So when we go the Saturday evening, and lick it door 3 times, bam, 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 Me I tell you, when I lick it door 3 times, my man look like him in a sleep, jump up, because you can't see if you see if I want patu, catch him a thief. If you have a patu, you know a patu board. So when he jump up now and open the door, and he open the door, me there side I do, You understand? Because I don't want to have gun and shoot through the door and shoot me, So and he open the door now, me there side I do, and as he open the door, me attack him. Me there right up on him, So me say to him, why you don't want to come out of the house? Indeed, there attack and yes, boss, yes. Me say, shut up your mouth. Me only want, when time me question you at the time I want you answer. Because if not, me I carry you go a station and you're not tap nowhere, you're not sit in a bag walking a town. Me I carry you go the time me don't know a town, Verdis, me do a bag walk. So, he did it one. He did it yes, boss. Me say, only time. If you want, me can go to the station and then you talk up there. If you don't want to answer my question. So I say, why you don't want to come out of my house? I talk about X, Y, Z and this and the blah. I say, don't you see fast sale on your house? He say, yes. I say, why you never buy it? You never have money if you buy it and this and that. I say, look how long you live here free. You should have saved your money and buy your house and then you would have no problem. And indeed, I sit there, I say, man, I'm going to time me question you more and you talk. If not, me and you go to the station. So, indeed, no one talk, yes, boss, and this and the devil knows what, So I say, you what me now? Me want to know when you come out of your house, He say, give 1 week time. I say, make sure say you come out of your house 1 week time, because when I come back here, and not talk to you, Station you go. And we talk down a station, He say, yes, boss, and he said, yes, boss, me now come back to conceive, I said, when we circle back here, about 5 days and gone, Come out of man house, and the man get here house, So one day, me do power saw work and a cut board. Down a Middleton, a cut board. When me down there cut board, no boy me see, come there. Oh, your favorite police will come for me where they sir. Me say, boy, me and the police, you ever see some man and police. I did it, And I tell all my brother them must say, boy, that man a favorite police will come for me where they Me say, listen, I am not a police. So, me no want you turn around me son and give me no argument about my favorite police. Me say, go and go look for the police where I look for you. That time I did it, me will want the boy go, because I don't want to bend down and cut my board and the boy go bust all me head, Subscribe and share. Mr. Beer is out.